Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be cleaning iPhone speaker ports and power port, lightning cable port. You will need a toothbrush, you will need a dental pick, and an iPhone. Make sure it's switched off. It's really quite easy and simple. All you have to do is lightly brush sideways here on the speaker, gently, to clean it out. On the bottom, just gently brush there as well. And then you grab your toothpick and just gently move it around without any pressure, just to loosen any debris, like so. You can get a compressed air can or compressor and just gently blow out all these areas. Or you can quite simply just blow it out with your mouth. Make sure you don't get any dust in your eyes. And there you have it, guys. Very simple, very easy. Thanks for watching. Subscribe down below for more interesting videos. Thank you.